Hello my loves, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Shayla Apri, and today we are going to be doing a aloe vera pre-poo treatment. So first you guys are going to need your aloe vera plant, and you can get that from, I got mine from Price Right for like $1.49. They're normally $2 and under from your local grocery store or farmer's market. You're going to need some clips, hair clips, a knife, and that's to cut the aloe, wide tooth comb, and then you're also going to need just a shower cap, a conditioning cap, and then you're also going to need a towel just to keep your hands clean. And then I got a quart size bag, and that's just if you have any aloe vera left over. So guys, here you will see me just taking off my scarf. I probably hadn't done anything with my hair in like 3 days. It literally was in a scarf for like 3 days. So I decided to do that. I always do like a pre-poo. I always do some type of like hot oil treatment, or I'll just put oil in my hair and conditioner and just let it sit in for a little bit before I shampoo it and wash day and all that. But I decided to do the aloe vera because it does promote hair growth, prevents itching on your scalp, reduces dandruff, and it also conditions your hair. It definitely hydrates your hair. And y'all see that dry hair? We trying to get this conditioned. So we gonna see what this aloe vera can do. To get started, all you guys gotta do is section your hair into 4 parts, 4 sections, and then go ahead and detangle. Y'all, can I just say I hate this part? I'm the most tender-headed person. I hate it here. I hate it here. Okay, guys. So once you're all detangled and everything, got your hair all sectioned back, you want to take your aloe vera plant, and you want to just, sorry about my phone. You want to just take your fresh aloe vera plant. You don't have to take the sticker off. I don't know why I was trying to take the sticker off. I don't know what I was doing. But anyway, so you want to cut that. You want to cut the ends off. We don't use the ends. I heard one person saying that it was like poisonous or something. I don't know about all that, but you just want to cut it in kind of like medium-sized chunks, I would say. And like I said, when it gets towards the end and they get super small, I mean, we want to get every drip of that gel out. But you don't have to use like the super, super small ones. But definitely get those cut up. And then you can see all the goodness, all of that goodness. That's going to hydrate our hair. So guys, here you will see me. I just have a chunk of the aloe vera, and this is what you want to do for each of those chunks that you cut. So the sides are really pointy and sharp, so you got to get those off. You don't want to have to worry about that while you're trying to do your hair. So cut each of those ends off of each chunk of the aloe vera. Okay guys, so after you have both ends cut on each chunk of the aloe vera, now you literally just want to take your knife and split it down the middle. Split the aloe vera down the middle so you have 2 pieces. See that? Oh, all that goodness, all that goodness. It's gonna go in our hair. Yep, so you just want to cut each chunk of the aloe vera like that, right down the middle, and just be careful with your knife. Yep, so after you have one cut, you just take one of the leaves and you just start adding it to your hair. And as you guys will see, I'll start kind of separating it and parting it as if I was doing a perm. So you just want, and I am natural guys, but you just want to take a little bit of each section, you see, just split it and then put it on your scalp. And I'm eventually going to put it throughout my whole head, but you just want to start with your scalp. And my scalp has been a little itchy lately, so I'm really hoping this helps. I don't know where it's coming from, but hopefully this helps. So you just want to take each section, just like I'm doing this first section, and just kind of go, just like you would oil your scalp or anything, and just put the aloe on your scalp. And you see the aloe got a little dry, so I'm just taking my nails and my fingers and just kind of puncturing the leaf. And it brings out even more juice in the leaf, or more gel, I guess I should say. So if you guys do have a chunk of your plant that starts to get dry on you, and it will because you're adding it to your hair, you're taking all the gel and adding it to your hair. So it will start to get dry after a little bit, but just take that leaf, take that plant, and just take your fingers and your nails and just start puncturing it. And it'll kind of, it's like it almost brings it back to life and makes the juice come out and the gel come out more. So guys, this is pretty much how I do each section. I go through, section it off, and put it on my scalp. And then I'll go through and do kind of like the perimeter of the section. And then I'll just take the rest of the plant and just put it all throughout my hair. As you can see here, just putting it all throughout my hair, and especially get those ends. I'll repuncture the plant, the piece of the chunk of plant, and then put it all over my hair. And do not forget your ends. Those need hydrated the most, so do not forget your ends. So guys, here you'll see me just twisting up my last section. If y'all remember what my hair looked like when this video first started, Yikes. And now look at it. It looks super, super hydrated. And let me tell y'all, this feels so good on your scalp. So all I'm doing now is just taking like my last couple chunks of aloe and just kind of like redoing all of like my edges, the perimeter, and then you'll even see me just taking the aloe and the gel to some of my twists. Just pull them along your twists and just kind of rehydrate everything. And this all probably took me about I would say like 25 minutes. If you don't have to detangle your hair and all that extra stuff, then it'll be faster. But I hadn't done anything with my hair in a minute, so that's why it took me a little longer. With the detangling and stuff, it probably was more like 30 to 45 minutes because I hate detangling my hair, so I'll be taking long on purpose. But you'll just see me putting it all throughout my hair. The smell is not so good, y'all, so don't be put off by the smell. When you wash out your hair, you won't smell none of that. What am I doing? You won't smell none of that like once you shampoo your hair and do all that. So you'll be good. Do not worry about the smell. It's not like, I don't even know what it smells like. It just smells like earthy to me. Yeah, it's like a weird smell, but it's not too bad. You'll be able to tolerate it. Okay. Yep, so just finish taking that all throughout your hair. So guys, that is it. Quick and easy pre-poo treatment. And if you haven't tried the pre-poo treatment, try it. So here I'm all done, so I'm just putting on my shower cap or conditioning cap, and I'm gonna let this, I'm probably gonna have this on my hair for about 24 hours. I would suggest at least, like, you don't want to do all that work and then just leave it on for 10-15 minutes. So I would at least leave it on for an hour minimum, and I would say max 24 hours. I ended up leaving it on my hair for about 24 hours. So that is about it. You'll just see me wrapping up my hair, getting ready, not getting ready for bed. I don't even know what I was getting ready for, but you'll just see me putting my scarf on just so. Oh, I do end up hopping in the shower after this. So definitely, I would say within that period, whether it's an hour, 24 hours, whatever, it kind of almost turns into like a hot pre-poo treatment as well. So if you can get in the shower, all of that, like my scarf on and all that under that hot steam in the shower, it was awesome. Like, it made it all the more wow. So I would definitely try to take a nice hot shower after you put this in as well. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.